Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stake Ethereum on Robinhood. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started with this exciting opportunity. Staking your Ethereum can be a great way to potentially earn rewards while contributing to the security and efficiency of the network. It's a process that's becoming increasingly accessible, and Robinhood has made it quite user-friendly. Let's dive into the details and see how you can begin staking your ETH today. Before you can stake your Ethereum, there are a few eligibility requirements to consider. First, you'll need an active Robinhood crypto account. Make sure your account is fully verified and meets all necessary regulatory standards. Robinhood also specifies a minimum amount of Ethereum you must hold to participate in staking. It's important to check these details within the app to ensure you qualify and are ready to start earning rewards. Once you're eligible, the staking process on Robinhood is quite simple. Open your Robinhood app and navigate to the Ethereum asset page. You'll find an option to stake your ETH there. Carefully review the terms and conditions, including any potential lockup periods or fees. After understanding everything, confirm the amount of Ethereum you wish to stake. Robinhood will then guide you through the final steps to securely initiate your staking. After successfully staking your Ethereum, you'll begin to earn rewards, which are typically paid out periodically. It's important to remember that staked Ethereum often has a lockup period, meaning you might not be able to access it immediately. Always be aware of these terms. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Staking is a long-term commitment, so stay informed and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.